about an hour to put together. It was super easy to put together. Not only were the instructions really clear, every part, bolts and nuts were all labeled, which made it so easy to put everything together. The only problem was that my router bit couldn't go low enough to reach past these sliders. So we ended up turning the router upside down and installing it in between the poles, which worked like a charm. You'll have to keep this table clean. I have to keep constantly spraying it off with my air compressor. I'm planning on making a plywood strip similar to this height that goes the full length of the table so that I can clamp it on the ends so that I can run this on a track without getting all kinds of wood chips stuck under these wheels. It has these risers that you can install right in between there if you need it to go higher to accommodate thicker slabs. Comes with a bunch.